Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and I hope everybody is doing great. I can't wait to show this amazing social studies handmade book that I've made for someone, and it's going out, and can't wait to show it to you. But before I do that, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, and make sure that you leave a comment in the description box below just to let me know whether you like this book. Are you doing something similar? What kind of topics are you doing in social studies? Would love to know that. So let's get going. All right, the first activity that you see here is a graph activity, and it says move column 1 with column 3. So the child has to move the column 1 to column 3. It's easy. I've just used post-it so they can just pick it up and interchange and replace. Activity 2 is also the graph. This is more towards move row 1 to row 2 and column 3 to 1. So here the child needs to move from 1 to 2, the row, and then the column 2 as well. Now this one is United States of America. Name the states that are marked. Okay, so the parent had already told me that the child knows about United States, the states. Okay, and I had to make everything revolving around it, just more like a revision book or like a test book. So what I did, I took this printable and I've cut it and I've put it here, and I've marked with different highlighters. Now the child has to write each one that has been marked. Okay, so if it's Florida, Texas, it's California, Washington, Maine, Alaska, whichever one, they have to just write the names. Okay, now let's go forward. Okay, now this is about states and capital. You have the states right here and the capitals right here, but they're all in the jumbled up way. The child needs to look at Alabama and needs to figure out which is the one and just write one, or could just say by just like pointing it out. So primarily this is just a revision states and capital activity where you have the states and you have the capitals next to them. Okay, now this is really interesting. Now read the instructions and mark on the map. Okay, the map is right here. You celebrated your new year of 2019 and 2020 in this state. Okay, so I had asked a couple of things from the parent to know what the child actually knows, and they had shared some details with me, and every detail that was shared with me I've converted into a question and needs to be marked here. So the child has already traveled to different states, and now everything that they have done or they have seen I have picked up as a question, and there is a color coding done, and the child needs to figure out which state was this and they need to answer it right here. Okay, the 6 states are marked. Write their name and capital. Now again, there are 6 states that are marked here. They need to write the name and write the capital right here. Okay, the states, paste them together, and their facts. So the states are here, their facts are right here. Okay, so kangaroos, rats are found here, Earth's flattest surface. So they need to, kangaroo rats, okay? It's not the kangaroo and rats separately, it's kangaroo rats. So by now, the child needs to figure out each and everything that's here in terms of fact, pick it up and paste it right here. One is look at the landmark state, where are they located, and important fact about them. So you have Liberty Bell, Grand Canyon, Portland Light, then you have the Alamo, you have Niagara Falls. So all the major landmarks in USA, I've put them right here, and the child needs to write the state that they fall in and one important fact. There are some more. I live here, they need to write where they live, the Golden Gate Bridge, the Space Center, Crater Lake, Yellowstone National Park, Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, then Niagara Falls, Mount McKinley. Then you have the Plymouth Rock, Dodge City, you have the Mystic Seaport, the Gateway Arc. And then you have the 5 facts about Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty is right here. That's it, guys. So I think it was a very, very interactive activity book that I could create for a child. I can't wait to do the same thing for Vivan. I'm going to make it. And if you need a copy for this, just leave a comment below in the comment section and let me know if you like the book and if you think it's really attractive. Make sure that you press the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.